Holly, I knew from the very first moment our eyes met, that first dance, to our drive home where we held hands, I knew that we were destined to be together.
Brandon, you taught me a different kind of love that is so pure, and I see you have that same love for Cruz. You have the most gentle soul I've ever met, and I promise to cherish every part of you for the rest of our lives.
I love you.
I love you.
You look beautiful.
We drive straight as a narrow flies, nowhere to be, no dreams to chase tonight. We've got time to waste, let's waste it right.
Brandon, Holly, you're beginning your marriage face to face. But when we're done here, you'll walk away hand in hand, side by side. But never forget to return to this posture, face to face, eye to eye, heart to heart.
You and I, heads up in the clouds, we're caught up with the birds flying south. Nothing to see as the day turns into night. We've got time to waste, let's waste it right. We got time to waste, let's waste it right.
Here we are. God and your love has brought you to this day, this incredible place, and this once-in-a-lifetime moment.
When I say I love you, I don't say it casually. I say it to remind you that you are my everything. The best thing that has ever happened to me in my life. Today I say I do. To me that means I will. I will take your hand and stand by your side through the good and the bad. I dedicate my everything to yours and Cruz's happiness, successes, and smiles. I promise to be there for you, hold you, and cherish you for the rest of our days. My lover, my companion, and my best friend. I will love you always and forever.
Ever since I was young, I would always say my life goal was to find a true love like Mama and Grandpa's. You don't love someone for their looks, their clothes, or their fancy car, but because they sing a song that only you can hear. I know deep in my soul that you are part of God's plan for me. I love you and I promise never to let you go.
Brandon and Holly, having witnessed your marriage vows, in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, it is my great privilege to pronounce you husband and wife. Brandon, you may kiss your bride.